Today I'll be taking you to one of the world famous ski resorts in Breckenridge, Colorado, USA. We'll take beautiful scenic route of Highway 285 to go to Breckenridge via Hosier Pass. First we will take brief stop at International Snow Sculpture event in Breckenridge. Then we will take gondola ride to reach the Breckenridge Ski Resort uphill. While you are enjoying scenic views on the gondola ride, I'll give ski tips and information for beginners. Once we reach the top, I'll show you Breckenridge Ski Resort and its beautiful views. We'll take lunch over there. I'll take you to the ski shop for ski rentals and then we'll head back home. On the way back, we will take Interstate I-70 and we'll go through Johnson and Eisenhower tunnels. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe link below this video and press the bell icon to get notified when I post my new videos. Thank you. Now let's begin this exciting journey from Denver, Colorado. Highway 285 have many small beautiful towns and lush green mountains on the way. After halfway through our journey, we entered the valley that was full of snow and the mountains as tall as 14,000 feet. After we reached town Fairplay on Highway 285, we turned right towards Breckenridge on Highway 9. On the left side of the Highway 9, we saw Mount Lincoln, Mount Bros, and Mount Democrat, which are all 14,000 feet or more higher. On Highway 9, at about 11,500 feet elevation, you go through Hosier Pass. After you cross Hosier Pass, it's all downhill all the way to Breckenridge. On the way, again on the left side, there is another 14,000 feet mountain called Quandary. I know about all these mountains because I climbed them several years back. On this road, snow was falling all the way to Breckenridge, so visibility was not very good, but everything looked so beautiful. When the snow is falling, even in cold weather and high altitude, these trucks keep going up and down to keep the snow off the roads. After we reached Breckenridge, our first stop was International Snow Sculpture Exhibition. In this International Snow Sculpture Exhibition, people or artists from different countries who qualified made a lot of beautiful snow sculptures. I have a different video that covers this event in more details. Please go to my channel if you are interested. I'll also put the link of that video at the end of this video. After this, we took a bus ride to go to the gondola ride that takes us to the top of the Breckenridge Resort. This gondola ride was free to the resort, but if you want to ski and take other lifts after that, then you need to buy a ticket. To save your time, I'll increase the speed of this video, but I'll let you enjoy the beautiful views on the way up. If you are coming here for skiing, in addition to equipment, you will need certain clothes. You will need goggles, ski gloves, ski jacket, ski pants. You should also consider bringing base layer and a sweater or fleece jacket. The ski pants and ski jacket should be waterproof and have insulation layer to keep you warm. Usually in the beginning you rent ski equipment or get it as part of your ski lessons. Ski equipment is expensive, $800 or more. Therefore, generally you don't buy it until you find out you are committed to skiing and you are going to ski 3 times or more a year. This gondola ride has 2 stops on the way before we reach the main resort on the top. The white lines you see on these mountains are ski slopes for skiing or snowboarding. As you can see, there are many ski slopes and there are chair lifts for taking you up for skiing. You can get the map of these slopes from the ticket booth. On the map of the ski resort, you can see different slopes with different colors. Each color represents a different skill level that is needed for that slope. The green slopes are the most easiest ones and usually recommended for the beginners. The blue color is the next difficulty level and the black ones are the most difficult ones. And the most difficult ones are the double diamond blacks. So you should never take them if you are not really expert. These ski resorts also have ski schools which will give you lessons for the beginners on how to ski. And as part of the lessons, they usually include the equipment that you need to take that lesson. So you don't need to worry about equipment if you're taking the lesson. One full day of these lessons can cost you anywhere from $150 to $250 depending on the resort that you go to. But after taking 2 or 3 lessons, you normally are ready to do skiing on your own. We are about to reach the top and end of this gondola ride. Normally you can buy tickets and the equipment at the ski resorts, but there are more economical ways to buy these things before coming to the ski resort. I'll give you these tips on the way back on the same gondola ride. This is the main Breckenridge Ski Resort. You can come here to ski and stay overnight in the hotel, and there are restaurants where you can go and eat, and there are ski school and lessons here as well, and you can also rent the ski equipment at this place. This is the place where when people get tired of skiing and want to take break, they put their skis over here and leave them here. There is no check-in, check-out and nobody watching, but I have never heard anybody losing skis over here. This is the ski rental shop of this resort. They will check your shoe size and your height and weight, and based on these specs they will pick a ski for you and adjust it for your weight and height. Outside of the upper lobby of this hotel there is a place where you can play chess and enjoy the scene outside. By now it was lunchtime and we were very hungry, so we went to the food court of this resort. Now it was time for us to head back home, so we took the gondola ride to go back to the base. Now it is time to give you second set of ski tips. To get cheaper rental ski equipment, we go to either Epic Mountain Gear shops or Christie Sports shops. There are multiple shops of these chains available in Denver metro area. These are the places I know, but there must be other places where you can rent ski equipment. On the way down, we found a couple of people doing cross-country skiing. Cross-country skiing is totally different kind of skiing, and I don't know much about it other than it requires different equipment and skills. You can also buy season passes and 4-pack, which is 4 tickets altogether in the beginning of the season or before the season starts in October, November, December time frame. Usually earlier is better and you get better prices. You can buy these passes either online and you can look for more information on the ski resort websites, or you can sometime go to King Soopers, which is a grocery store shop in Denver metro area and other places, and ask for the season pass and 4-pack. Now we are heading back home, taking I-70 east towards Denver. On the way back, we crossed 1.7 miles or 2.7 kilometer long tunnel. These are 2 tunnels at the same spot. Johnson Tunnel is eastbound and was established in 1979. Eisenhower Tunnel was established in 1973 and it is westbound. On the right side, we are now passing through another ski resort called Loveland. Loveland is nearest or one of the nearest ski resorts to Denver, and it's also very economical both for skiing and learning how to ski. If you like, please help me by subscribing to my channel by pressing the subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon. This will notify you when my new video is posted. When you like the videos, press the like icon and share the video with other friends. Thank you.